Welcome back, my culinary champs, to another installment of Cooking with Dael. Today we're diving into the world of chocolatey goodness with a recipe for Fudgy Brownie Cookies. These cookies are the perfect blend of chewy brownie and crispy cookie. Let's get baking. Combine the chopped chocolate and butter in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave in 20-second intervals, stirring between each until melted, smooth, and glossy. In a large bowl, whisk together the brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, and eggs until light and fluffy. This is a crucial step. This is what creates the crinkly look on top of your cookie. Next, add the melted chocolate and give it a good stir. Now these fudgy brownies are the perfect treat for any occasion. Enjoy them with a cup of coffee or tea or as a dessert after a meal. I love making ice cream sandwiches with these. Topped off with a little bit of fudge. Whoa, amazing. Add in the chocolate chips, cocoa powder, flour, salt and baking powder, mixing until just combined. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Chill the dough for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator, as this will help the cookies from spreading too much. Line baking sheets with parchment paper and scoop the chilled dough onto those sheets. You want to space them 5 centimeters apart, and I'm using a 1/4 cup measure because we all deserve a bloody big cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are set and the top is crinkly. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely.